Buenas tardes, compañeros y tutora. Me presento, mi nombre es Ana Sofía Heredia García. En el momento estoy realizando la carrera de licenciatura en educación infantil y el día de hoy les voy a presentar el texto corto en inglés. A new home. Francisco stands outside his new house. He reaches into his pocket and pulls out the key. He turns the key in the lock and opens the door. He steps into the living room and looks around. The paint is peeling off the walls. There is no furniture. The house is dirty and smells bad. He tries to open a window, but it is broken. The house does not have kitchen or bedroom, but there is microwave on the floor on one side of the room. He orders if occurs. The prince look terrible, but it is all he can afford. He covers his nose and mouth with his hand and opens the bathroom door. It is bad condition.